Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am making a lovely delicious snack. I know the sun has been missing from our summer really, but this is a great snack. It's a great thing for picnics or for packed lunches. I am making veg rolls. Now sausage rolls are such a popular snack, but we don't eat red meat, so I'm always trying different variations of veg rolls. I made one variation many years ago on the YouTube channel. Obviously you can still find that recipe, but this one is a delicious take on the very easy veg roll recipe. So let's get baking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. First things first, I have got the oven heating up. So preheat your oven to 160 fan or 180C, and I am going to line 2 baking trays with some baking paper before I move on with the filling, because the trays will be ready once the rolls are ready. So the first thing to do is to chop up a medium-sized onion. You can use red, white, shallots, whatever you like. My knives do need sharpening desperately, so just roughly chop this. You can use a red chili or a green chili, whichever you want. I'm going to use a green one today, and finally chop that too. So this goes in a bowl. Now the chopped up green chili and some fresh coriander, all of it goes in. Next I have got 1 boiled potato. It was a medium sized boiled potato. Mash the potato and add it in. So I have got here 50 grams of cheddar cheese, which I will just grate into this. Actually, let's do fine. I'll just use this side. And here I have got 225 grams block of soft paneer. It crumbles up so nicely. If you've got the really hard one from the shops, just grate it. And now that I've got everything in, I'm going to add all the lovely spices. So I've got some salt, teaspoon of salt. Please add this according to your taste, because if you find that too much, just add less. Just a sprinkling of green red chili powder. Because I've used green chili in it, I'm not going to add any more red chili powder. Next, some lovely homemade chaat masala. You can find the recipe for this on the channel. And a teaspoon of ground cumin. And now just mix it all up. Obviously, I do know that this is adding paneer is not vegan, and I'm going to brush it with some egg. If you want to make it completely vegan, then you can skip the paneer and the cheese and just make it with potatoes. Everything exactly the same, but using just the potatoes, onions, and basically taking out the cheese and replacing it with more potatoes, which is also going to be super delicious. This smells so refreshing and lovely. Chaat masala always kind of smells so inviting, really. So I've got a ready pack of puff pastry. So you can use it straight away as it is, but I am going to roll it out a bit more than this. So just make it slightly thinner. So I'm just putting some plain flour so it doesn't stick. Because it's all butter pastry, it does have a tendency to stick if we've not floured the surface well. Just gonna roll it out to, can you see, just to make it a bit thinner. Like I said, you can just use it as it is. Now that I've got a slightly bigger pastry, I'm gonna cut it into half. So I've got this mixture, and I'm gonna put half on here and half on the other one. Just gonna get an egg and just whisk this and get a brush. So I'm gonna brush the lip of the pastry. See, I haven't put this right in the middle. I've put it slightly on this side so that I can just roll this over here. Obviously, you can put in a bit less filling because I have put in a lot of filling. You can put in a bit less if you like, but that is up to you. I would rather have them bursting than having less filling in the veg rolls. So now that this is done, I'm just going to use the same fork. Make a nice design here. The sun is not going to do this any good because it's butter pastry. This is going to start melting. Right, so I'm going to be as quick as I can. All that's left to do is brush, 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 brush. So just make sure that you have coated this really well, because this is what is going to give it the beautiful golden color to the veg rolls. And that is why I prepared the trays before I did the rolls, because now they're ready for the trays and there's no time to waste. Right, there you go. Okay, now just a sharp knife and cut it into bite-sized pieces. You can make them slightly bigger if you like. That is up to you. Let's do these bigger ones. So let's make only 4 out of these. So we have 4 of us at home, so we all get 1 each. Right, they go on the tray. Like I said, you can fill it less so they are not bursting. But you'll know in a minute why I have filled them this much, because they're so delicious. Right, they go in the oven for 20-25 minutes and I'll keep an eye on them until nice and golden. Ah dear, look at these. Oh, glorious, glorious beauties, and they smell incredible. I am not going to burn my mouth today. I'm going to let them sit for 5 minutes. So these have turned out absolutely incredible. Look at the color on that. They smell incredible, and I am going to taste it. I'm going to taste a smaller one. Still hot. Oh, so hot. I got a little piece of chili in there for the heat. Oh, and that chaat masala really comes through. Can you see the smoke? That is so good and so simple to prepare. I really hope you'll give this a go. Whatever is left, I won't put it in the fridge. Once they've cooled down, I put it in a box and leave it out, and they can take it for their lunch box tomorrow. Yeah, they are great to prepare beforehand if you're having a party as well. Yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Bye.